if you are a lady and you have Wi-Fi and you have a smartphone, I would advise you click the link down below and let's make money. Especially stay-at-home moms, like if you are a stay-at-home mom and you get something like 3 hours a day doing this thing, you thank me later. Especially ladies, I think this app was designed for ladies. Hi guys, this is Jackie and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the Poppo Live app, aka the pink app. Okay, Poppo Live. So if you go to TikTok right now and search for pink app or the pink app or pink app, whatever, you are going to see a lot of creators, praising this application on how you get paid for just going on live. And think about it, when you go to a TikTok live and then two people send you gift and then you walk away with something like 30 cents, yeah, you would really consider trying to switch to the pink app. But when you go to the Play Store or App Store, whatever store you're using, you search for the pink app, then you don't find it. It's because they didn't tell you the right name. It is called the Purple Life app. Okay, so in this application, today I'm going to talk about this application, the disadvantages, the advantages, the how-tos, and also talk about my first withdrawal. Yes, I did withdraw money from the Poppo Life app, and I'm going to tell you how much it was. It wasn't that little, but it wasn't that many. But it there's like that threshold amount of money that you have to make, then you make your first withdrawal. So it was like past that amount. It was like my biggest withdrawal ever. Anyways, so let's get into it. I just came from a shower and these days I've been abusing my hair, so let me grab my hair food as we talk. So this is the hair food that I use for my hair. Okay, but now, like, yeah, my hair is very long, and as you can see, my hairline is intact. So this is another thing, guys. There's something that I've been honest about when it comes to hair. I'm naturally gifted, guys. Mama made Kiwa. I inherited good hair genes from her. If you see her anyways, let's get back to the Poppo app. So first we're going to talk about how you get paid on that app. So this application, what you have to do, you have to install. They are so strict, guys. Like, you're supposed to go live at least once a day, at least twice, because you have to get 2 tasks to go live. So you have to go live twice a day, so you earn at least an hour each time, or 2 hours, I guess. Yeah, an hour to 2 hours each time. Okay, it depends on who you are, what level you are, and yes, there are levels. So yeah, I think I'm all over the place. I'm just gonna I think this is what's distracting me. Yeah, so what I was saying is, yeah, you just have to apply. I haven't been taking care of my hair, guys, because I haven't been well. I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm just a crying baby or something, but I feel like I've been depressed, not that depressed, but I've been down, very down, and that's why I haven't been posting. Anyways, can we get back to the Poppo app? We're going to talk about me at the end of the video. Yeah, now let's talk about what we came here for, the Poppo app. So what is it with this app? So all you have to do, right, they are so strict because you have to do a face verification, because so that you cannot say, oh mom, can you do my life, I need to go somewhere, do some errands. No, instead mom is supposed to have her own app as well, so she does her lives and errands as well. So instead, you're supposed to do your task, and also you cannot sleep during the live. You get penalized and they take some money from you, the money that you earned, by the way. So yeah, get back to the hair food. Anyways, one of the disadvantages about this application, oh yeah, I'll talk about that before I talk about more ways to earn, how you actually do the lives. Okay, so one of the disadvantages of this application is that it only empowers women. Yeah, Mostly it's for like ladies, because like ladies get paid more than guys do, because like ladies just get paid for just sitting there. For a guy, you don't have to go live and just sit there. There are some things that you have to do. We're going to get into that. But for a woman, you just go there and sit. I could just do this all day. Not all day, but at least you are required to go live an hour for that entire hour, and I'll get paid. And then do another one for 2 hours, the other task, I'll get paid again. So imagine spending 3 hours of the day, just 3 hours, just three. You can do 30 minutes, go do whatever you want to do, come back to the other 30 minutes. You see, it's not like, yeah, it's like that. You can continue from where you left, if you get me. So there'll be like a taskbar telling you how many how many minutes are left with. So now what I was saying about this thing empowering women, like, ladies want 50-50, right? Like they all say, hey, we want 50-50, but when it comes to getting gifts and money, is that my phone? Yes. When it comes to getting gift and money, it's like, oh no, you are a guy, you should provide. Thank God. Anyways, let's get back. But I'm that type of person, like, okay, so let's say there was like, it was cold, like very very cold, and it's one of those coldest days, and I have a jersey on or a jacket, whatever. I'm putting on a jacket, and there's a lady without a jacket. Mm, and maybe we're not even related, we're just strangers, talking about this part of being a gentleman, ladies first, you see. So this lady is there next to me, and I'm here with my jacket. Don't expect me to give you my jacket, bitch. Bye. Like, never. Because I would not, trust me, I would not. Like, it's not like I'm immune to cold, hey? So, whatever reason you don't have your jacket, oh, that is not my business. Anyways, getting back, yeah, so this application is like that. Like, I find it very very unfair that ladies just get paid easily. But guys, you have to work extra hard. So this is how you get paid as a guy. If you are a guy, and probably not say this because it might be flagged, but like, for guys, okay, so for guys, you have to say it on those party lives. There are two lives. There's this one, like, the solo life, and then the party life, and then there's that other one, it's called the PK, whatever, where when you go to TikTok, you see people battling for each other for gifts, or like, oh, you send me a rose, you send me that. Yeah, it's there. And I cannot imagine myself begging for a rose online, even though, yeah, I might be broke, but my lips are cracking. I just can't. Anyways, so I was saying, for guys, you have to like do all those things, and also you have to join a party life, at least spend your coins. Oh, by the way, they provide you some coins. Like, there's like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna like do another video explaining this whole thing, but I want to talk about right now is my first withdrawal. Yes, I did withdraw. I'm gonna talk about that. Let me finish up this. So for guys, you have to like spend at least 5 gifts. Doesn't matter how you spend, but the higher you go for guys, the more it becomes easier. But for ladies, just from level 0, you are already established. But for guys, you have to like build. I'm gonna explain in another different video. Tell me if you want me to explain. Okay, now let's talk about my first withdrawal. How much did I withdraw? I'm gonna put a screenshot over here, my withdrawal request and my approval. So I did, I was in trouble and I was in town, and I'm not the kind of person that likes to like borrow money around from people, because hey, also, yeah, I'm that person that doesn't like to bother people sometimes, and most of the people that I'm close enough to borrow money from, they were not like available at that time, and I was like, yo, what am I going to do? And then I remembered something popped up. I have been doing this Poppo thingy for like a month or so. you know I have some money. You know what? Let me withdraw. I contacted my agents. Oh, by the way, I left a very, very big thing. You need an agent. No, you know what? I will talk about that. You can do it solo or with an agent, but it's up to you if you wanna join like a group of people. There's a lot going on in that application. So I'll make another video. Let me continue back to my story. So I'm sitting there like what am I gonna do? I remember there's Poppo money. I contacted my agency. I'm telling them, no, I wanna withdraw. It's like, okay, how much? How much? The thing is, I've never met this lady. Oh, by the way, another disadvantage in Zim. I mean Zim, right? You have to like withdraw through crypto and something called ePay or something, but you cannot withdraw it directly to the bank, which was like a disadvantage, because like if I wanna withdraw my money like anytime I want, I cannot, because I have to like contact an agency, talk to someone or get myself a Binance account. And when it comes to crypto, like crypto trading, I have zero interest in those, and I don't think I'll be opening a Binance account anytime soon. So that's me there wanting to withdraw. I contacted her, then she sends me her Binance account. That is the one that I have to link with my account. So now it's like, the funny part is like I've never met this person, like we've never seen in person, and like so now me trusting that person with my $30. Oh my god, I earned $30. So for you to withdraw, you have to earn $20. So me, you have to earn $10. So me, I earned $10. I earned another $10, and I earned another $10 because I was striving at this Poppo thingy. But although the advantages were not as fair, like as I told you with my female colleagues, we are colleagues. Yes, we are colleagues because of all Poppo thingies. I don't know, Poppo life creators. Anyways, my $30, my hard-earned $30, you just hold your breath and withdraw that money into that person's Binance account, hey, and you don't know if they're gonna scam you or what. Mind you, I was with one of my friends when I was withdrawing this one, and I had already talked to her about my money problems. Like, nah, I just, she didn't have the money, okay. So yeah, anyways, I'm with her, and then we're all waiting. They told me my withdrawal has been approved. I go to check my balance. I have zero, like on my Poppo app. And then I'm like, okay, now I have to wait for the girl. So the lady sent $5. She sent $5, and my friend was already laughing at me. And before she could like, it was maybe less than 5 minutes. Yeah, less than a minute. Because I was like, I took a screenshot, and so I was about to text her, and then the $5 came into my account. I was like, okay, wait. So she kept sending five, 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 five. I even recorded me going to, I wanted to do a little vlog for TikTok showing people that you can actually withdraw money. Or another way to earn. So if you guys really want me to earn, please use my referral link. Okay, because like when I was inviting people to join this application, they were like, have you withdrawn your money first? Because where I come from, yeah, people have been scammed a lot, and people are very skeptical these days. Remember there was that e-creator scandal, but like I never told those guys that you have to invest money. I told you have to invest yourself. Just get some data or something, or a better phone, okay, then sit on a live and get paid. That is what I said. And they'll ask me, have you withdrawn your money? And I'm sitting there like, no, you're also not sure, mind you, you're also not sure about this thing, because like you just saw, you cannot see a lot of people talking about the same thing on TikTok, saying that they are earning money, and you think maybe it's not true. No, you cannot. That cannot happen. So I saw a lot of people talking about this on Twitter, and then I decided to join. So that is when I joined. And after I joined that application, why am I speaking so fast? After I joined, then I realized, okay, grass ain't greener. Remember I told you there are disadvantages. Grass ain't greener on the other side, like this one of like ladies and guys having like different kind of tasks, and the tasks are favoring more. They favor more ladies. Okay, they are favorable more to the ladies. English is not my first language, please forgive me. And for some time, and okay, so if you are a guy and you have a feminine looking face, would I call myself, do I have a feminine looking face? Maybe. And you can shave, and you can, just put, when they ask you your gender, just put female. Trust me, you're going to thank me later. Put female. Make sure I don't get caught. Mind you, these people, they scan your faces. Remember I said they scan your faces. Just put female, okay? Identify as a female. Only for that, please. Because had I known, you wouldn't be seeing this BS by now, like right now. Because I was gonna make sure I'll be waxing or something, because like ladies have a very, very, very big advantage on that app. And this is something that I cannot even understand. I, I hope they update, because hell no. Like, what happened to 50-50? Hi, man. Hi. No. Anyways, I withdrew my money. And yeah, I got my money from Poppo app. And yeah, you can give it a try. So, if you want, of course, when you join under me, now that I have earned and I'm in a higher level, I can give you guidance. Like, trust me, I can give you guidance, because like there is a lot that you have to learn in that Poppo application. So I think my video is too long. I thought my video was gonna be like a very, very short video. So what do you guys think about it? Do you think it's a scam? But I told you, it's not a scam. But guys, grass ain't greener on the other side. I keep telling you guys, because like there's a lot. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, it's not as green. So when I just got in there, where was I? So when I got to the application and I'm trying to invite people, they're like, "Have you earned your money yet?" I'm like, "Oh well, I give them stories." So none of them clicked my link. And tell me what? Tell you what? When I had withdrawn my money, they were the first people to know. The first people that I sent the link to were the first people to know that I've actually earned from Poppo. And I'm like, "How much did you earn?" God, I earned $30. You are not going to find $30 on the street laying there like, pick me. No. So I had earned my money on Poppo Live, and that's it. That's the end of the video. I think I touched everything. Anyways, back to me. Yeah, do I still want to talk about me? Yeah, because I was talking about being depressed, but I don't feel depressed right now. And if I had more storage in my phone, I was gonna like go ahead and make as many videos, maybe make videos for the entire week. But like, yeah, guys, I have been struggling with this terminal illness called brokenness. Yeah, I'm broke. Even though I withdrew my money from Poppo, it wasn't enough, and I'm broke. And being broke, and being a guy, and being broke, yo, it's just. But it's not like I'm that broke, but I am, guys, and I've been down lately. I don't know why. That's why I've been being consistent. One thing about me, if I'm consistent on TikTok, hey, on YouTube, I'm not doing anything. But if I'm consistent on YouTube, on TikTok, I'm not doing anything. And yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, I don't know what to say now. Because like I did want to give you guys a live update, but at the same time I'm like, should I? No, what? Never mind. I just hope I'll get well. Yeah, the update is I'm broke, and I've been experiencing a decline in viewership. I think it's because I haven't been like doing the TTP. Okay, and I just hope my microphone is clear, because I'm recording, my phone is on charger. There was this thing like a generator on my phone going grrr. I'm just everywhere. Anyways, the Poppo link is down below. So if you are a lady and you have Wi-Fi, listen. Okay, I think I'm gonna add this on my intro. If you are wait a second, my clients are messaging me, guys, I'm on a Sunday, can you leave me alone? Anyways, if you are a lady and you have Wi-Fi and you have a smartphone, I would advise you click the link down below and let's make money. Especially stay-at-home moms, like if you are a stay-at-home mom and you get something like 3 hours a day doing this thing, you thank me later. Especially ladies, I think this app was designed for ladies, but if you're a guy as well, I have much to say to you, old man. Yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Yo, I don't think I'm going to edit anything really. Imagine me making a 20-minute video talking about an application. Eh? Anyways, see you on the next video.